Hello friends. Now moving forward for the next numerical on the virtual work, which is on the roller supported, when the roller supports are provided and hinge support are provided. So let's see the numerical. Two beams AC and CD of the length 9 meter and 10 meter respectively are hinged at C. Means the C point is hinge point. The beam is given as A to C and C to D. So A to C distance is 9 meter and C to D distance is 10 meter respectively. These supports supported on the roller on the left and right ends. Ends means at point A and point D are supported by the roller supports. The hinge support C is provided. The hinge support is provided at point B. Again, one B point is provided where hinge support is 7 meter from the A. Means from A, 7 meter is a distance of point B as shown in figure. Using principle of virtual work, determine force transmitted by the hinge and reaction at support B. Means trans we have to find out the force and support at reaction B at point B. When 700 Newton acts at point 6 meter from point D. Means 700 Newton is your point load in downward direction, which is acted 6 meter distance from the point D. I forgot to mention that is a C to D distance is your 10 meter as shown in above numerical. So let resolve this uh, reaction, that is roller support and hinge support and this hinge C point by principle of virtual work. So here is a figure of principle of virtual work, because A and D are the roller support. So these are having the upward force. B is also the hinge support, so it will have also the upward force. So distances are given. A to B distance is 7 meter. E to D distance, E is your point load, that is 700 Newton, which is in downward direction. So it is 6 meter from the D point. C to D distance is 10 meter. So by resolving the force at point C, the distance is virtual displacement of the point C is y, and point E virtual upward distance is your 5y upon 3y upon 5, or it is your 6y upon 10, as we know that 6 is your distance A upon 10, 10 is your L, because we are considering the y at point C. So total L is your 10 for this equation. So 3y, 6y upon 10 is equal to 3y upon 5. Second, at point B, it is also from A to C. So L will be your 9 meter and A will be your 7 meter. So 7y upon 9 is equal to virtual distance of the point B. So what is given exactly we will see. Length AC is your equal to 9 meter. Here above figure is already given. Length CD is your 10 meter. Load E is having the point load, and it is 700 Newton in downward direction at 6 meter from the point D. Let RA having the reaction at A, RB is a reaction at B, RD is reaction at D. All three are in upward direction. C is hinge point, there is no reaction. Y is the virtual distance at point particular C. Virtual distance at point B is your 7y upon 9, as we explained. A is equal to 7, L upon 9, L is equal to 9. And virtual distance at E is your 6y upon 10. So by calculating it is 3y upon 5. So as the procedure, we have to calculate the virtual distances of vertical reactions. Three reaction, that is your vertical reactions upward directions are RA, RB and RD. So it is your, we know that from starting point RA is 0, vertical distance is 0 at point RA. Also at RD point there is a vertical distance is 0. So RA into 0 plus RB, we know that RB is 7y upon 9 plus RD into 0. So it comes positive RB into 7y upon 9, positive because it is a upward direction reaction. So now it we will we have solved the vertical reaction. Now the point load. So virtual work due to the point load is given by 700 is your point load applied, into 3y upon 5 it is your distance, vertical distance, and negative sign is because it is in downward direction, so minus 420y is your virtual work done by the load. So the by principle of virtual work, sum of the total virtual work, we know that by equilibrium it will be 0, sum of all these two, that is vertical reactions and downward direction, that is point load. So the vertical reaction having plus RB 7y upon 9 which is given here, and by point load is minus 420y, so it is given here RB into into 7y minus 420y is equal to 0. By rearranging the, we will get RB is equal to 420y into 9 upon 7y, so y will get cancelled, and by solving this 420 into 9 by 7 we will get the RB as 540 Newton. So the reaction at hinge point, which is at point B, it is your 540 Newton, which is positive because it is in upward direction. Thank you.